Have you ever heard about the Human Genome Project? Let me tell you. The Human Genome Project was an international scientific research project that began in 1990 and completed in 2003. It remains the world's largest collaborative biological project. The primary goals were to discover the complete set of human genes and make them accessible for further biological study, and determine the sequences of the 3 billion chemical base pairs that make up human genomic DNA. The HGP was also intended to improve the technologies required to interpret and analyze genomic sequences, identify all of the genes encoded in human DNA, and address the ethical, legal, and social implications of defining the entire human genomic sequence.
So, what is the purpose of the Human Genome Project? Human Genome Project was to gain a better understanding of the human genetic makeup and how it influences human health and disease. By sequencing the entire human genome, scientists are able to identify and study the evolution of the human species. This also helps to understand how humans are related to other species in animal kingdom.
Methods used in the Human Genome Project. DNA sequencing. This is the breakdown of DNA into smaller fragments which will be sequenced by using various techniques. Physical mapping. This is the use of methods such as FISH. It is used to determine the exact location of genes on specific chromosomes. Next we have bioinformatics. This is the use of various software tools that are developed in order to process, analyze, and interpret the data generated during sequencing and mapping. We also have DNA cloning, gene identification, DNA annotation, and quality control.
Hello guys, do you know what are the benefits we can get from Human Genome Project? So, Human Genome Project benefits in various areas. Firstly, in medicine. In medicine, it improves diagnosis of disease, create rational drugs, and it can also establish organ replacement. Other than that, in DNA forensics, it can identify potential suspects at a crime scene, and it produces more nutritious products in agriculture. Lastly, it enables us to study migration of different population groups based on female genetic inheritance.